If you're facing a Trello Workspace login error, you might not be able to access your workspace or switch between accounts. Yeah, this usually happens because of authentication issues, browser problems, or account settings. But don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through several fixes that usually solve the problem. First, make sure you're using the correct email and password for your Workspace account. Even a small typo can prevent you from logging in. Next, log out of Trello and sign back in. This refreshes your session and can fix temporary authentication issues. If you're using Trello in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can interfere with Workspace access. Another quick fix is trying a different browser or device. Sometimes browser settings or extensions can block Workspace login. If you still can't access the Workspace, make sure your account has permission to join it. You may need to be invited again by the Workspace admin. And finally, check Trello's server status. Occasionally, outages can affect login and Workspace access. And that's it. One of these fixes usually resolves Trello Workspace login errors so you can access your projects again. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.